In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide transactions in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Hiding transactions allows you to exclude them from your budgets, cash flow, and reports, while still keeping them in your transaction list for reference. To hide transactions, go to the Transactions page and select the transaction or multiple transactions you want to hide. Click Edit, then scroll to the Hide Transactions option and apply the changes. This works the same whether you're hiding one or multiple transactions. Once hidden, those transactions will no longer affect your financial summaries, but you can still access them anytime. You can also automate this by creating a rule. Go to Settings, then Rules, and set your conditions like a specific merchant. Then enable the Hide Transaction option so it applies automatically to future entries. If you ever want to unhide transactions, just use the Filter option. Select Hidden and toggle them back to visible. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.